So today we're doing a little bit of a video. We're going to take this little Suffolk pony to parts. Now we're going to start off with taking the carburetor off. Then we're going to start taking the exhaust, then the tank, then the cowling, then the fire. I'll place it there, and that to there. As you can see, the carburetor is coming from. Snug fit. Sometimes they come off really easily, sometimes they need a bit of almost off. It's very awkward shape, so it hurts your hand a little bit. Just going to dab a little bit of oil over it. Better if I was wearing gloves. Tell you what, they're easier to go on than they are to come off. There we go. So there we have it. Carburetor is now off. Put that down. Screw all the parts. Right. So. Now we're doing the tank. Just gonna taller. So now we have the tank. There's a little screw up there. It tends to be a flat-headed screw. Job. So we've got that there, unscrew that, then should pin it out, screw back on. If you look there, it's now loose. Out through there. Take spark plug out. This one's an extra small one, so it's harder to grip, but there it is. And the exhaust, still see that? And I'm going to lower you again. There we go. There's the exhaust. These just simply screw out. There it is. Normal size. Pretty simple pony. Now, go down to there. There's two bits off. Like this. Just a little adjustable. Screw. keep these up here and then put them back into the engine block when this cowling comes off. Make sure not to lose the two washers, teeth washers, like that. And then this just simply pops off. There's the cowling. Can go down into the box now. And there we have the bare engine. I'm going to put these two screws back into the block so we don't lose them. If you don't do that, you can just draw a piece of card around it and then just push them through using them as like a, I don't know. It holds them in place anyway. So now you've got that, you can now just take a spanner, adjustable, to the flywheel nut. Now use anti-clockwise, is it? Make clockwise. Yeah, clockwise rotation to undo, so that when the engine is turning, it doesn't unscrew. These nuts are hard to replace, so keep them with the engine. So there's the cup, flywheel cowl, and washer. It goes washer, cowl, then cup, then nut. Right. So there we have the engine with its flywheel off. Well, not off, but almost off. Here's the fun bit, trying to get it off. Oh dear. Right, I'm going to pop the correction. I'm going to take the screws out. Luckily there's no other screws that are this size, so they shouldn't go missing. See it? That's off now. All the parts in the box. It almost fell. Tighten it up. Came off easier than I first expected. There is the flywheel. Got your magnets there. It's off. Now that leaves us magneto. So you got your little cam arm there. You got your points. You got the fabric that lubricates and cleans the cam. You got your woodruff key, condenser, your coil, magnet plates there. And yeah, we're just going to take that all off, give it a good clean, and hopefully get it sparking. When getting these engines to run and trying to make them spark, make sure if you doubt why it's not sparking that well, it might be because of the connection from the plate, point plate down. So if you undo those two screws there, or that one anyway, don't undo that one, you can lift it up and clean it. Once you clean that, it makes a better connection. And it does work. I learned that from the guy, the lawnmower guy. So, name's Alan, I should probably call him Alan, but you know. There goes the nut. Not nut, bolt. show you the variation between the two models of these engines. Actually, I think they did 3, or maybe even 4 now that I've seen the bigger tank. So it's now loose. Just get that HT, push that through. Now, screws are over there. Pull the HT through, jam it, and there you have the engine. Easy magneto. And that produces the spark. See, it's quite dirty actually, but the difference between the two variations is that I have actually 2 of those type of engines and 2 of the old type. The newer type has that type of coil, plastic coated one. The older type, which is here, this is a knackered one, but here has the, let me take into the light, there's the, I can't remember the name for it, shellac coated coil. There's the magnet plate and a larger condenser. Oh, I'm sorry. It doesn't have a metal coated arm on that one. Still got the same. Actually, it doesn't have the same. It's got plastic plates there instead of just metal ones going to there. As I say, this one's knackered. I think I've got, yeah, there's another one. Yeah, there it is. So yeah, there's 3 models, saying that. Up. There's one of the magneto screws. 3 models. Oldest, second oldest, and then youngest. This one had a flywheel, and so did that one, where it did not have a recoil starter. They had a simple pull start, which you wrapped your rope around. They're the oldest. Allergies. And then this one had the recoil starter. This one was the latest model, and that was the last model. So we've got 3 different types of ignition. There probably will be a 4th, but I don't know. Yeah, that's about it really on the ignition. This is off my first Suffolk Pony engine, so and then that's just off a scrap pony, not off this engine. I'll keep you updated on the progress so far. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this has been helpful. If you've got any information you need knowing about Suffolk ponies, or Japs, or any engine really, I know a fair bit. Not saying I know it all, but there's some stuff. That's about it, thanks. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.